Today I'm going to try this paper squishy. It's a very popular capybara, and the author even provided a printable template. However, I don't have a color printer, so I decided to draw it myself. I used an A4 sheet of paper and almost filled it with the drawing. This is the largest cube I could make on this paper. I drew 6 squares and colored them, which took me quite a while. I think I should have just used a colored sheet of paper. It would have been much easier. Okay, now I'll draw capybara's face. Stick transparent tape on the paper. Cut it. Tape the edges together. I'm leaving 2 edges. Now I'm going to stuff it with filling cotton. I'll peel off any clumps. This will make it fluffier. Okay, stuff it with as much stuffing as possible. I think this is the most crucial point in making a good squishy. Now I'll tape one edge together and put in some more stuffing to make the cube slightly puff up. Okay, this is the final look. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to start squeezing it to see if it's fluffy enough. I think it's good. I can feel the resistance when squeezing the air, which is really relaxing. After squeezing it a few times, its surface looks a bit wrinkled. But it feels even better to squeeze because the outer paper becomes softer. I think it's a success. Compare it to another squishy of the same shape that I made before. Because I stuffed it with less stuffing, it deformed when I squeezed it and didn't have this springy feel. Although it can be adjusted to restore its original shape. Stuffing it with enough stuffing is key. Now I want to try different stuffing materials. I've taken out all the stuffing and I'm going to use plastic bags as stuffing. This is a packaging bag that holds 10 rolls of toilet paper. I simply crumpled it into a ball. I didn't cut it or shape it. I just crumpled it up and stuffed it in. I used 2 of these bags, which was enough to fill the space. Okay, look at the result. It's pretty good. It's not as soft as stuffing, but it's still nice. So even without stuffing, you can still make a decent squishy using packaging bags that would otherwise be thrown in the trash. Of course, don't forget to use enough stuffing and make sure to fill it completely. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.